Creating games in various ways is important for creators. Now, games created with Gandi IDE can be embedded with a standard iFrame. Open a game page, click the Share button. You can choose how to show your game. Furthermore, you can download an HTML file. You can open it in a code editor and modify the width and height. It can be useful if you want to create a project on platforms like itch.io. Dealing with variables in Scratch is exhausting, especially when you are working on some big projects. Now, we are working on a variable manager within a debug tool in Gandi IDE. Here is a mockup. Click the button next to the stage. A pop-up window will show up in the editor. All variables and lists in this project are shown in the variable type. You can pin some of them. They will be shown in the variable manager tab. If the variable is for one sprite only, the value of every clone will be shown here. It is coming soon. Can it help you? Please give us your feedback. The very first game jam held by Gandi IDE is in progress now. The theme is the sound of play. You can join the game jam on itch.io. Submissions open from February 10th to February 20th. Don't miss it. Okay, that's all. Join our Discord server and subscribe to this channel. Get the latest news. See you next week.